In today's video, I'm going to show you how to overlay a video on CapCut desktop for free, step by step. This is a super useful editing trick if you want to create picture-in-picture videos, add a Facecam on top of gameplay, place reaction clips over your main footage, or simply make your edit look more professional. And best of all, you can do it in just a few minutes, once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut desktop and load up the project you want to work on. If you don't already have a project started, create a new one so you can begin from scratch. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left area and click the Import button in the Media tab. This is where you'll bring in both of your clips. You need two videos for this method, your main background video and the overlay video you want to place on top. After your files are imported, you'll see them appear in the Media panel. Now drag your main background video down into the timeline first. This is important because the background clip should sit on the bottom layer and act as the base for your entire edit. Once that's in place, grab your overlay video from the Media panel and drag it directly onto a new layer above the background video. CapCut supports multiple layers, so placing the second video on top is what creates the overlay effect. Now that both clips are in the timeline, click on the overlay clip to select it. When it's selected, you'll be able to adjust it in the preview window. Go to the video preview player in the middle of the screen, and you should see a bounding box around the overlay clip. Use the blue corner handles to resize the video. Click and drag those handles inward to make the overlay smaller. This is perfect if you want a face cam in the corner, a small reaction video, or a floating clip on top of your main footage. If you want to make the overlay larger again, simply drag the same corner handles outward. You can make it as big or as small as you want, depending on the style you're going for. Once the size looks right, click and hold the center of the overlay video and drag it to the exact position you want on the screen. A lot of people place overlays in the bottom right or top left corner, but you can position it anywhere that works for your video. Take a moment to preview the result and make sure the overlay doesn't block anything important in your background video. If needed, you can keep adjusting the size and position until it feels balanced and professional. This is one of the easiest ways to make your content more dynamic, especially if you're making tutorials, commentary videos, or social media edits. If you want, you can also trim the overlay clip so it appears only when you need it. Just move the playhead to the right spot and cut the clip where necessary. That way, your overlay can come in and out at the perfect time during the video. Once everything looks good, you're ready to export your project and save the final result. And that's how you overlay a video on CapCut desktop for free. It's a simple editing technique, but it can make a huge difference in how polished your content looks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.